Ever found yourself staring at an ATM abroad, wondering if your trusty Westpac Worldwide wallet could actually dispense local currency? You're not alone. Navigating international finances can feel like a maze, and knowing exactly what your card can do is crucial for stress-free travel. So, let's dive straight into the big question. Can you withdraw cash from an ATM using your Westpac Worldwide wallet? The short answer is a resounding yes, with a few important details you absolutely need to know. Think of your Westpac Worldwide wallet as your multi-currency travel companion. It's designed to hold and manage funds in various currencies, making spending overseas significantly more convenient and often more cost-effective than using a regular debit or credit card. But the beauty of it truly shines when you need physical cash in hand. Here's the lowdown on using your Worldwide wallet at ATMs. Firstly, you'll be looking for ATMs that display the MasterCard logo. Since the Westpac Worldwide wallet is powered by MasterCard, this is your universal sign that the ATM should be compatible with your card. Globally, the vast majority of ATMs accept MasterCard, so you'll find them readily available in most tourist destinations and urban areas. Now, let's talk about fees. This is where it gets interesting. Westpac doesn't typically charge an ATM withdrawal fee when you're using your Worldwide wallet to withdraw funds in a currency you already hold in your wallet. For example, if you've loaded euros onto your card and you're withdrawing from an ATM in France, Westpac generally won't impose a withdrawal fee. This is a significant advantage over many other cards that often slap on international transaction fees and ATM withdrawal charges. However, and this is a crucial however, the local ATM provider might have its own fees. These are charges levied by the bank or institution that owns the ATM, and they are completely separate from Westpac's fees, or lack thereof. These fees can vary significantly from country to country and even between different ATM networks within the same country. Keep an eye out for on-screen notifications from the ATM itself, which should clearly state any transaction fees before you proceed. You'll usually have the option to cancel the transaction if you're not happy with the charges. Another vital point to consider is the exchange rate if you attempt to withdraw a currency that you don't currently hold in your Worldwide wallet. In this scenario, the ATM will likely offer to perform the currency conversion for you. While this might seem convenient, it's often advisable to decline this option and instead allow MasterCard to handle the conversion. ATM providers often use less favorable exchange rates, which could end up costing you more in the long run. By choosing to be charged in the local currency, MasterCard's daily exchange rate will typically apply, which is usually more competitive. Finally, just like using any card at an ATM, be mindful of your surroundings. Opt for ATMs in well-lit and secure locations, and always shield the keypad when entering your PIN to prevent unauthorized access. It's also a good practice to keep track of your withdrawal amounts and regularly check your transaction history through the Westpac app or online banking. So, to recap, yes, you can absolutely withdraw money from ATMs internationally using your Westpac Worldwide wallet wherever you see the MasterCard logo. You'll generally avoid Westpac's withdrawal fees when withdrawing in a currency you hold, but be aware of potential fees from the local ATM provider and always opt for MasterCard to handle currency conversions if you're withdrawing a currency you don't have in your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.